when to deposit payroll taxes. So it will depend on whether you chose a monthly deposit schedule at the beginning of the year, or you chose semi-weekly deposit schedule. For the monthly deposit schedule, it is the 15th of the following month, and we can go to publication 15 to read about it. And for semi-weekly deposit schedule, if your payday falls on Wednesday, Thursday, and on Friday, then the following Wednesday you make a deposit. If you pay people on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and on Tuesday, then Friday of that week you make a deposit. Does that make sense? So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, when you pay people during those days, then the following Wednesday you made a deposit. When you pay people Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then Friday of that week you make a deposit. So we are going to go to publication 15. And section 11, depositing tax. And we'll go to page 31. Okay, we'll come across the monthly one somewhere. But anyway, let's go to 32. Okay, so the monthly deposit is by the 15th of the following month. So deposit period for semi-weekly scheduled depositor are Wednesday through Friday and Saturday through Tuesday, if that makes sense. So let's say that again. Wednesday through Friday and Saturday through Tuesday. So if you go to the table, Wednesday through Friday, when you pay people from Wednesday through Friday, then you make that deposit on Wednesday and like following Wednesday. And when is from, you pay people from Saturday to Tuesday, then you make that deposit by Friday. So let's see if they, okay, they didn't explain it much there. Let's go up a little bit here. Okay, they didn't discuss it much further than that, but so they can give you some examples as well. Sometimes they give examples, and you can read the example, especially if deposit spanning 2 quarters, then you'll make 2 deposits. You'll make separate deposits, one for each quarter. So, and that's something that you can read about as well. But yeah, so you have to know first your deposit schedule. You have to know your deposit schedule that you chose to know when you need to make the deposit. Thank you. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all your comments. And we thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman Cross up Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways you can save money and different ways you can make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. Thank you.